So there's a few reasons why we wanted to use the Spantec system on this site specifically. It's because we are so close to the coast, it can handle the harsh Australian environment. Also, we're on quite a slope here, on a 5-metre slope. So using the Easy Pier system, it was quite easy to get up to the finished floor level, as you can see right here. So now I'm going to show you how easy and light it is to install the Smartbearers. So as you can see, this is a Smartbearer. I've just lifted that on my own and installing it. It is up to 60% lighter than timber. It is so quick and easy to install. Now that the Smartbearer is in place, we're literally just going to put these end caps in. Now that's just going to seal it off from pests and anything else. So now our end cap's in, we're going to put on this framing bracket, allowing us to join the two Smartbearers together. As you can see now, I'm just putting the joists in. The easy thing about this is the joist hanging brackets have a tag on the bottom. So I just literally rest them there now. I'm going to come back and screw them off. I've left this loose so they all fit in. So as you can see, there's zero cuts, zero wastage. They're going in that simple. So virtually now it's just one big Meccano set. We've done the set out right. It's working perfect, quick and easy. As builders, we're always looking for ways to work smarter and faster. Now the Spantec system with the Smartbearer definitely achieves that. It's simply a Meccano set, it slots in, you don't have to buzz it down, it's all dead level. Let me show you. Perfect.